Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to install WordPress on localhost using XAMPP server. If you prefer written article, then you can find the link of this article in the description below. Now to start the process, we need to download XAMPP server. So go to apachefriends.org/download.html. Download the version which is required for your system. Click on the download to download XAMPP server. I already have this file, so I am going to cancel it. Now go to a download folder. Double click on the XAMPP server exe to install it. Ignore this message and click OK. Then click Next. Now you only need Apache, MySQL, PHP and PHPMyAdmin to install the WordPress in your localhost server. So if you want, then you can uncheck all these unrequired files. Then click Next. If you want, then you can change this folder name. Then click Next. Click Next again. Click Next again. If you are getting a message like this, then click Allow Access. Now make sure this option is checked. Click Finish to run the XAMPP server. Choose the language and click Save. Now start Apache and MySQL server. Now we need a database to store all the data of our localhost website. So you can click Admin here to open PHPMyAdmin section, or directly go to the browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click New to create a new database. Enter a database name and click Create. Database is successfully created. Now we need WordPress file to start the installation process. So open a new tab and go to wordpress.org/download. Click Download WordPress button to start the download file. I already have this file, so I am not going to download it. Then go to the download folder and right click on the WordPress zip file and extract it. After extracting the zip file, you will get a folder like this. Open this folder and you will find all the WordPress file inside this WordPress folder, as you can see. So go back and copy this WordPress folder. Now go to the drive where you installed the XAMPP server. In my case, I installed in the C drive. Open XAMPP folder. Then open htdocs folder. Now paste the WordPress folder here. If you want, then you can change this folder name. Now we can start the WordPress installation process. So go to the browser, open a new tab, type localhost/WordPress. Make sure this folder name and this name should be the same. Then click Enter. Choose language and click Continue. Then WordPress will give you a message. You will need database details in the next step. We already have database details, so click Let's Go. Then enter a database name. In my case, database name is WP Pocket. By default, username is root, so enter root in this field. Then leave the password field blank. Then you don't need to change database host and table prefix. Then click Submit. If all the details are correct, then you will get a success message. Click Run the installation. Enter site title. Enter username. You can use this username to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Then remember this password or create a easy password. Then click Confirm, use your quick password. Enter your email address. Click Install WordPress. As you can see, WordPress is successfully installed in the localhost server. Now you can click login to log in into the WordPress dashboard. Enter username and password and click login. Now you can visit your website to see how it's working. By the way, don't see this WAMP server logo, this is showing from the history. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.